financial decisions are a routine part of daily life. These decisions span from small, everyday expenses to substantial investments. Making informed financial choices is essential for effective money management. Wise financial decisions contribute to long-term financial stability. Prudent financial management is key to achieving financial goals. The initial step in making sound financial choices is identifying needs. This involves a careful assessment of one's financial situation. A key aspect is distinguishing between essential requirements and mere desires. Prioritizing needs over wants is crucial for effective financial planning. Gathering information is a crucial step in the decision-making process. This step involves researching the options available. It also requires understanding the terms and conditions associated with each option. Effective information gathering enhances the quality of decisions. Comprehensive research leads to more informed and strategic choices. Comparing options is a crucial step in the decision-making process. This step involves a detailed analysis of each available choice. The analysis focuses on identifying both the costs and benefits associated with each option. Costs may include financial expenses, time commitments, or potential risks. The goal is to determine which option provides the best overall fit based on the identified costs and benefits. The deciding stage is a critical step in the decision-making process. It involves actively selecting one option from the available alternatives. The chosen option should be the one deemed most suitable. Suitability is determined by how well the option aligns with one's financial goals. The selected option must also be realistically achievable within the given budget. Therefore, deciding requires a careful evaluation of alignment with goals and budgetary constraints. The decision to rent or buy a home involves evaluating various factors. Key considerations include long-term financial costs associated with each option. Flexibility, such as the ability to relocate easily, is another important aspect. Aligning the housing decision with personal financial goals is crucial for making an informed choice. Consider the immediate access to funds when using credit for a purchase. Evaluate the costs associated with credit, such as interest rates. Factor in the potential for accumulating debt when using credit. Assess the benefits of using savings for purchases, avoiding interest charges. Recognize that using savings reduces available funds for other opportunities. Compare the advantages and disadvantages of both credit and savings to make an informed financial decision. Investment selection requires a careful assessment of several key factors. One crucial factor is risk tolerance, reflecting an investor's capacity to withstand potential losses. Another key consideration is potential returns, which must be weighed against the associated risks. Diversification is also important. Spreading investments across different assets can mitigate risk. Digital financial tools aid in objective financial analysis. Budgeting apps help track income and expenses. Loan calculators assist in understanding repayment terms. Comparison websites enable evaluation of different financial products. These tools facilitate data-driven financial decision-making. Objective analysis enhances financial planning and management. Effective financial decision-making requires a balanced approach. It also involves a heightened awareness of one's financial situation. Careful planning is essential for making informed choices. Adopting the right mindset and utilizing appropriate tools are crucial. Confident financial decisions can pave the way for long-term financial success.